So here's the deal. We're gonna take this quadcopter and we're gonna run them into those pumpkins right back there. Okay. Well, I missed the pumpkin, but I ran straight into that fence, man. Like. Man, at that last second, I was just giving it that burst, you know what I mean? To get that extra speed. I should have just had more up tilt from the get-go. I think I just broke a prop. Battery seems to be okay. I shouldn't do that. Front props got broken, but our skull is actually fine. Take two. Doesn't look too bad. I think that skull really took the impact really well. So maybe this is a lesson that if you want to really protect your quad, put something like this skull on there. It doesn't really improve the performance characteristics certainly, but it's interesting. Let's check out our quad, see how we're doing. Wow, everything's still okay. So this face is really, this skull is really taking the brunt of the impact. Wow. Cool. Oh, we got a cracked jaw. We got a cracked jawbone there. It's neat to watch it in slow-mo, but it's also kind of interesting because it makes you think maybe, well, it would almost be worthwhile to have some sort of bumper or something, some sort of like hollow, lightweight plastic aerodynamic thing on your quad. Like, you know, maybe it could go like over top of a GoPro, of like your GoPro and your battery, almost like a, I guess basically like a big canopy cover, aerodynamic sort of airfoil shape, but it could be like hollow plastic, and you could just take the impact or something. And then in flight, it might have some side wind issues, something to think about. So, well, that was pretty cool. Happy Halloween.